Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, this is my third video of the year. Yeah! I'm on fire! Pretty soon I'm not gonna be able to count how many videos I did this year. Anyways, this is gonna be a quick video because we are heading to dinner for my birthday. Also, before we get started on the unboxing, I just want to let you know that I am doing a giveaway on the Jaclyn highlighter palette. So if you want to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and follow me on all my social media accounts. Also, this is only gonna be open in the United States. So yeah, let's get on with the video. I know you guys have been waiting for this. This is what the box looks like. As always, I already removed the ribbon, that way we can get on. All right, so do you guys have any idea what I'm gonna be unboxing? If you do, please comment down below. Alrighty, so let's open her up. This is the dust bag. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Nano Speedy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, guys. I also added a scarf on the handle because my hands tend to sweat a lot and I put a lot of lotion and I don't want it to get really dark. Although I love a honey patina, but just not like super dark. But this is what it looks. That's the handle. This is what it looks on the bottom and on the side. The inside, guys, this packs on a lot. Like all your essentials you can put it inside. It looks so tiny, but it's very spacious. And this one is made in France. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you can. Oh man, this bag is so hard to find. Like, it's almost impossible. I've called a lot of CAs, I've been to a lot of boutique, and they all tell me the same thing, that it's sold out. And if ever they do have if ever they do get one, they have it already on hold for someone else. And you know, some CAs also mentioned that it's discontinued, which is like so sad because it's so popular. You know, everyone wants this bag, or I don't know if everyone, but a lot of people wants this bag, and why are they discontinuing it? I really do wish that the strap is detachable, that way I can put a different strap on it. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. Anyways, if you have this bag, how do you guys like it? Do you use it all the time? How do you wear it? Do you wear it like this, or would you wear it like how I would do it, like a crossbody bag? Oh my gosh, everyone's probably gonna be using it as crossbody bag because it's not detachable. But yeah, if you're trying to get your hands on it, or if you have this, what was your experience? Was it really hard to get? Did you have to call a lot of people, or did you guys get it through a reseller? Let me know down below. All right, like I mentioned, guys, this is gonna be a really quick unboxing. So that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.